Hello guys, there's a new update in town where you can make up to 200,000 naira every day. It's very simple game. The game is called FB999. So once you are done with registration, head back to wallet, click on wallet and then deposit. One good thing about it is that you can deposit straight from your bank and also use USDT, that is the crypto side to deposit. After depositing, go to the home page, click on lottery. Once you click on lottery, you go to the game called Wingo and start playing. One good thing about this game is that they have a Telegram channel where they share you updates on what game to play, what time to play, and how to play them. And this Telegram channel will guide you on how to make money every day with this game. So this is the example. You click on lottery, click on Wingo, then you go back to the Telegram channel and check the update that they share. Play the exact game that they ask you to play, either small or big, and then the number they ask you to play, then you know how you select the amount I want to put. Then once you done that, you wait for a few minutes, and then the game will play. It's very simple. The result will come out. For example, what is displaying on the right hand side of the screen. You just wait as more for the result to come out, then boom, you make money just like that. Every 5 minutes you are making money. For example, you see I stake with 10,000 naira and I won 29,000. Then the next game I'll go back to the Telegram channel again, then select the next game and then place it. Then I'll wait for the result. In few minutes, 5 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, then the result will come out. Another winning. As you can see, I won another 19,000 naira again. Then I will go back to the Telegram channel and wait for the updates. Once they release another update, I will come back to the game, then play again. Just like that. Every 5 minutes, you are making money. As I said earlier, you can make up to 200,000 or more every day, depending on your staking amount. So it's very simple game to play, and the good thing is about this game is that they will guide you on how to play this game through the Telegram channel. So leave the link in the comment section. So click the link, register, make your deposit, then go to the Telegram channel and join the Telegram channel. Then you start playing and make money. It's good thing for all students, also everyone that wants to make money in Nigeria. If you are not in Nigeria, you can use the USDT to deposit, and you can also use the USDT to withdraw. Your withdrawal is very easy and fast. Within 5 minutes, you get your money in your bank account or your crypto wallet. So it's very simple, and they'll also guide you on how to manage your portfolio so that you will not lose your money through the Telegram channel. So guys, head back to that Telegram channel and join the Telegram channel, and also register with the link down below. Okay, that is the update I have for you. Just keep following the instruction and they give, and then you make your money every day. Our aim here is to provide you with valuable information on how to make money in this channel, and also on this Facebook page. Then the result is out, another winning. So as you can see, I deposited 20,000 naira. Now my balance has moved to 76,000 naira. So just like that, within few hours, I've made over 200,000 naira. So the withdrawal is quite easy and super fast. So within 5 minutes you get your money in your bank accounts. So I cannot see this kind of update and not share with you. So guys, head back to this platform and make some money. Thank you guys.